How to sign in with Spotify on OnlyFans. Hello and welcome to One to Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can sign in with Spotify on OnlyFans. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type onlyfans.com, the official website of OnlyFans. Then press enter to search it. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. After logging in, you will reach to this interface of OnlyFans website. Here at the left side, you will find various options. Here, click on My Profile option. Then you will be taken to this page. Here at the right side, you will find Sign in with Spotify option. You just simply have to click on this option and wait for a while. Then you will be redirected to this page. Here you will have to authorize your Spotify account. Click on this Agree button. Then you can see you have successfully signed in with Spotify on OnlyFans. You can also click on the setting options at the right side and there you will see your Spotify account. If in case you change your mind to disconnect your Spotify account from your OnlyFans account, you can just click on this disconnect option and you can disconnect them. So in this way, you can sign in with Spotify on OnlyFans. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.